Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to change Netflix age restrictions on your computer, and you can also do this on your mobile phone as well. So the first thing that we have to go to is we have to go to this menu right here, and we have to go to manage profiles right here. Once we click on that, we will get all the profiles that we currently have, and you will have to just select profile that you want to change Netflix age restrictions for. So we want to change this profile age restriction, so we can click on it. And here what we can do is we can go to edit. And once we go to edit, we will have to enter our password here. So we can enter our password here, we can continue. And right now, as you can see, we have viewing restrictions and profile maturity rating for this particular account. Now we can lower this, right? Let's say, we have a kid, we want him to watch 13 plus videos. We can do this. We can do all, or we can do 18 plus, right? Then you also have kids profile. If you're editing for a kid, then you can just click display the Netflix kids experience with titles just for kids, right? It will lower it to 7 plus and below. And then we'll leave it off like that. And we can also restrict a certain profiles or a certain movies and shows and like specific titles for this profile. So, let's say, we want to restrict Friends or Seinfeld, for example. We can just click on Seinfeld, and again, this will be restricted. So this particular account won't be able to see Seinfeld, right? So this is how you can do it, and then you can click save, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how to change Netflix age restrictions in 2022. You can do this on your mobile as well, on your application, or go just to your browser and on Google Chrome and then log in into your Netflix on your mobile and then do this same process. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer all of your questions. And yeah, I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.